Good evening. This is dinner time for my cats at shelter. Two of them still keep eating the leftover from the plates. Some of them ate already. You see, they're clean. They clean their mouths and their paw. After eating, they go to their own place. They love where that they love to stay. It's very dark now. It's about 7, almost 7 p.m. in my country. My husband just coming back from feeding the dog. We work all day with the animals. Finished. Now it's finished feeding our animal in a day. And at my shelter it has a toad. Here. Bông, bông. Nhưng thôi chặt copy đây. Chặt copy đây. They look healthy because they come to live with my cat. All my cat here are friendly with the toad. It's called toad or something. I don't know in English. It has few here, but they are very friendly with my cats. Okay. And the boy that I keep inside the cage, he's always talking. I free him in the daytime, and nighttime I keep him back in because he has a full vaccination already, so we don't worry about virus contagious. We have to turn on the fan because now it's still hot, even it's 7 p.m. in my country, but the cold is not yet calmed down. It's still hot. Today I think maybe 40 degrees because it's very hot, very hot. But my animal here living at shelter, they are very lucky because we have the tree around. It's very dark. It's difficult to see the tree at night, but you can see some like this because the sky is not yet full dark. It has some we can see some. It's still light. Here we have the tree, so the tree is helping cut down the temperature. It's very cold. That's why when I take the video up there, you cannot see the sky because you see just very less the sky, but because it's almost the shade from the tree. Bon. And here, yeah. Okay. They are very happy after dinner. Some of them are going back to the field, to the rice field. The rice field is outside the shelter, but it's safe for my animal living here. The boys keep singing, talking. What you want? What you want? What you want? You have to stay inside in the night. Look at this boy. You are so nice. You are so gentle. Good boy, my good boy. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. You're sleepy. Let's sleep. Okay. It cannot take a clear picture because it's dark here and the light is not enough. It's not light enough. Yeah. We are happy that we can give them love, give them home, safe, and they have enough food. We also need more support because we have many animals and we need to feed them every day, many years. because they live longer. He keeps eating. If you kindly support, please, because we do need because more animal, more food, we need more money, we need for food, we need for medicine, we need for vaccination, we need for deworming, we need to protect them everything, and sometimes we need for we need to pay for the vet bill too. Okay, thank you so much for watching video from my YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe to have more video. Thank you for your watching video from my YouTube. Thank you for your support. See you the next video. Thank you.